Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that contains column and row.
Okay, Bafri, can you tell us what can we do in Microsoft Excel?
In Microsoft Excel, we can write marks of students and then add it.
Okay, can you find the result of Mark 1, Mark 2 and Mark 3 in
Sure.
Mark 4, please?
First, you're going to select mark 1, 2, and 3, and then click sum. Here is it.
Very good. Aro, please, can you return the largest value in Mark 5 in 60?
We have to select column mark 5 in order to find the max value. We select max. We got the max value here.
Okay, the largest value is 60.
60, yeah.
Very good. 3. Aro, can you explain the functions that we have in Microsoft Excel?
Yes, we have max, min, and summation.
Very good. Bafri, what is max function?
Max used to find the biggest number on your sheet.
Very good. Aro, what is min function?
Min function used to find the smallest value in your sheet.
Very good. Raman, can you show us the smallest value in Mark 1?
Yes, we have to click mark 1 and go to auto sum and go click main function. Yes, we have 3 the
smallest value.
Smallest value.
Very good. Mohammed Alan. Mohammed Alan, please show us the largest value. Okay, the biggest value in Mark 4.
Okay, first we got to select Mark 4. Go to auto sum and select max. Yes, we have selected as a max value.
Very good. Mohammed Kamal, please change the color behind the title. Okay?
We select the topic and go to shady and choose the color that we need.
Very good. Lani, can you change the color of text in your sheet?
Yes, first you select the text and you go to font color and select the color you want.
Very good. Shano, can you change the color behind the lessons, the subjects? Very good. Vian, can you make a border for your texts?
Yes. I click select all, go to border all.
Very good. Sham, come in. Sham, tell me, can we insert a column between Mark 2 and Mark 3?
Yes. We select Mark 3. We go on insert. We select insert sheet columns.
Good. Okay. Leah,
Yes.
please, can you delete a column between Mark 2 and Mark 3?
Yes. Select the columns
Good.
and delete the sheet.
Very good. Well done.